When do you eat arroz con pollo? Judging by the smell of it, I would eat it whenever I could. But typically, this is enjoyed for family celebrations at lunchtime because of its hearty nature. It's also enjoyed in the colder winter months because it truly warms you up. Arroz con pollo, or rice with chicken in Spanish, is a traditional dish that is common throughout Latin America, Spain, and especially in Cuba, Puerto Rico, and Costa Rica. Common ingredients include rice, tomatoes, mixed vegetables, and fresh herbs, chicken, and saffron, or more commonly, anatado, with many different traditional ways to prepare it, unique to various countries. An arroz con pollo you find in Cuba may be quite different than one you find in Peru, and it is a dish that is enjoyed all year long. I'm Jan from Kitchen Kitchen.